The given AP is 21, 42, 63, 84. Nth term is given as 210. What is that n? What is the formula of nth term? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You know, a is the initial term. So in this case 21. And n we do not know, you have to find out. An is given as how much? 210. And then d is equal to 42 minus 21. Second term minus first term, that is 21. So that is d. So we can substitute and get the answer. What is An? 210. What is A? 21. N minus 1 into D, 21. So 210 minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into 21. So 10 minus 1, 9. And here 10 minus 2, how much? 8. And 189. And then this is n minus 1 into 21. You can bring this 21 this side to the denominator. So 181, 9 divided by 21 is equal to n minus 1. So this is 9 times, is it not? So n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 10. So the nth term is 10. It means 10th term will be 210. Okay. Next question. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then A18 minus A13, that is the difference between 18th term and the 13th term, is equal to what? This is the question. See, the common difference is nothing but D is equal to 5. Okay, the common difference is D is equal to 5. So we know the formula, that is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A18 means A18 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here 18 instead of n you can put 18. 18 minus 1 into D. D is 5. So A18 is equal to A18 into 5. 5 8s are 40, balance 4, 90. Is that no? So this is equation number 1. And what about A13? 13. That is equal to A plus 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into 5, 60. This is equation 2. So what is asked
18 minus 1 is this.
17 face.
I'm sorry, 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1. This is 13th. 13 minus 1. That is 12. 12 into 5, 60. Got it?
So first it's 18 minus 1 and
18 minus 1, 17. 17 means 85. Okay? Right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
A plus 85 and A13 is A plus 60. Now what is asked? A18 minus 13. So subtract equation 1 and 2. So put minus, minus, minus. So A18 minus A13. A minus A cancelled. So 85 minus 60, how much? 5, 8 minus 6, 2. So this is the answer. This is what asked here. Okay. So that is equal to 25. Right? Next question. What is the common difference of an AP? What is the common difference of an AP in which A18 minus A14 is equal to 32? So we can apply the same strategy. That is, A18 means what? A plus n minus 1 into d. That is 18 minus 1, 17. So 17 into d. Okay. And what is A14? That is A plus 14 minus 1, 13d. Got it? Now let us subtract. A is cancelled. So A18 minus A14 is equal to 17d minus 13d. How much? 4d. Is it not? So this is already given as 32. So 4d is equal to 32. So the difference should be 32 divided by 4. That is 8. Okay. Next question.
So the thankfully now.
We applied the standard formula only. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
The two APs have the same common difference. The two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these is minus 1 and that of the other is minus 8. The difference between their fourth term is dash. So we had to find out the difference between their fourth terms. Now the common difference of two APs, they have the same difference. Okay, let us have AP1 and AP2. AP1, AP2. AP1, it has a nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula, and the an may be different, so we can put an1, and the first term of one of these is minus 1, so this is minus 1, and that of the other, so let us say an2 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and here this a, that of the other, is minus 8. The difference between their fourth terms, it is given as fourth term, so n is 4, here also 4. The difference, and they have the common difference, same difference, so it means both of them, assuming that this is let me say d1 and this is d2, but d1 is equal to d2, that is given. Okay, common difference mean, so we can put it, we can maintain this as d. Okay, we can maintain this as d. Now let us proceed, and what is asked? The difference between their fourth terms. So here this is a4 of 1, AP1. What about this? This is a4 of 2. So this difference is asked, that is a4 of 1 is equal to minus 1, and what about this? Plus 3d. Okay, so this is equation 1. What about this? That is a fourth term of second AP is equal to a is minus 8 plus n minus 1 3d. Okay, so this is the second equation. So what they asked, the difference between their fourth terms, that is a41 minus a42. So a41 minus a42 is asked. So let us substitute here, minus 1 plus 3d, minus 1 plus 3d, and the second term is minus of minus 8 plus 3d, because it is given first term this one, second term this one. Okay, so that is equal to minus 1 plus 3d and minus of minus plus, is it not? So 8 and minus 3d, so plus 3d minus 3d cancel, so minus 1 plus 8 is equal to 7. So this is the fourth term of AP1 minus fourth term of AP2 is 7. This is the answer. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So let me explain once again. The common APs have the two APs have the same common difference. So D1, D2, they have the same. So D1 is equal to D2, that is maintained as D here. The first term of these, one of these is minus 1. So this is first term, minus 1. This is first term. And this AP minus 8. So the first term of second AP is minus 8. Now we have substituted. And fourth term means in both the case n is equal to 4. So 3. N minus 1, 3. And D is common, so we maintain. What is asked? The difference between their terms, fourth term. So we can subtract this. So it means equation 1 minus equation 2. That I have given. Finally we got this 7. Okay. Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
If 7 times the seventh term of an AP is equal to 11 times its 11th term, then its 18th term is dash. Now listen this sum carefully. 7 times of the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times of its 11th term. So first of all, we know it belongs to only one AP. Okay, right. So 7 times of the 7th term. 7th term, how to represent? A7. 7 times means what? 7 into A7 is equal to 11 times. So 11 times of A11. Okay. So we have to establish the term first, equation. Then it's 18th term. So what is asked here? What could be the 18th term? That is A18 is equal to what? Now let us expand this. 7 into A7. In fact, both of them belong to the same AP. So A plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. Common difference will be D. That's it. Is equal to, what about this? 11 of A11, A plus n minus 1. So 10. So 10D. Okay. So what is the formula I applied? The same formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So I split this into two. One is A7, another is A11, and multiply by 7, and here multiply by 11. So this is what I have done and made this equal. Okay. Right. Now let us expand it. Our objective is to find out the 18th term. So 7a plus 7 6 are 43d, okay, is equal to 11a plus 110d, okay. So 11a minus 7a, 11a minus 7a, okay, or you can bring this here, 7a minus 11a, and then plus 43d minus 110d.
Sir, 42, sir.
43 or 42? 42.
42, sir.
42d. So 42d minus 110d is equal to 0. So 11 minus how much? 11a minus 7a minus 4a,
Yes, sir.
and then 10 minus 2, 8, and then 10, 4, 6. So 68, that is equal to 0. So we can into d. We can convert this into positive by multiplying by minus 1. So you will get 4a plus 4a plus 68d, is it not, is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the question asked here?
Sir, minus 4a minus 68.
Minus 4a minus 68d is equal to 0. I have multiplied the entire equation by minus 1 so that you can have positive term. Okay, got it?
Yes.
So 4a plus 68d, okay, 4a plus 68d. Now let us divide this by 4, okay. So divide this by 4. The entire term can be multiplied by 4. So you will get a plus how much? 12d, is it not? 1 4 17. 17d is equal to 0. Correct? I am multiplying this by 1 by 4. So 4 4 cancelled a. 68 by 4 17d. So a plus this 17d can be written as 18 minus 1 into d. Are you able to follow? 18 minus 1 into d. Okay. So 18 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 0. It means this is nothing but a 18th term. Are you able to follow? So a 18th term is equal to 0. Got it? So let me repeat this sum. It is given as 7 times the 7th term, not this one. Yeah. So 7 times the 7th term. So a7 into a7 is equal to 11 times the 11th term. So 11 into a11. What is a18? So we have to split this. So 7 into a plus 60, 11 into a plus 10d. Expand it and get it as a positive value. Then you can divide this by 4 because we want to retain a. So a plus 17d, and this can be cleverly subtracted from 18, is it not? 17 is nothing but 18 minus 1. So 18 minus 1, and we can match with this formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is D, okay, is equal to 0 or is equal to an. So in this case, when you compare these two, you can find that is n is 18th term. So a 18th is equal to 0 here. Okay. Next. The fourth term from the end of an AP. The fourth term from the end AP. Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, etc. plus 49 is dash. So the fourth term from the end of the means, so let us arrive at AP. So minus 11, AP is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, etc. and then plus 49. Okay. The nth term of an AP from the end is given by the formula an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. So you can use this formula. What is that? From the right, from the end, you can make use of this formula. Usually we will put a plus n minus 1 into D, but in this case we have to use the last term, 49. Right? So what is an? An, that is 11th term, is it not? The fourth term, n is equal to fourth term. So A4, L, last term 49, minus n, 4 minus 1, 3, into the common difference. The common difference should be, that is, you have to subtract minus 8 minus of minus 11. Okay. So A49, A4 is equal to 49 minus of minus of 4 minus 1. So that is equal to, and you have to multiply by D. So D is equal to minus 8, second term minus first term. So minus 8 minus of minus 11. So that is equal to minus 8 plus 11. That is 3. So D is equal to 3. So you can substitute 3. So 49 minus 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 40. So A4 is equal to 40. Okay. Next sum. See, so far we have been discussing about the nth term. Now we will discuss about the sum of terms. Okay.